Hello, family. It's the DIY Apostle coming with you with another cooking adventure. And I hope that you would enjoy this. It's very simple. This was very simple. Yeah, let me show you. Chop. All right. Chopped collard greens from Food Line. You can see the little label right there. Food Line, okay? And I've already rinsed the bags and everything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in the pan. There's three bags, so we're gonna do this in layers. That's the first bag. Cut up a little onion. Yes, I do love onions. Hey, quite frankly, it's not too much I don't love. I just love to eat. My family knows that. And those that know me know I love to eat. All right. Cutting up some pieces of pepper. I normally do mushrooms too, but I'm not going to do that today. Because some of the people who we're doing this for don't like mushrooms. Okay. So there we have this. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of black pepper. And some soul seasoning. Soul seasoning. All right. Now this, my friend, the steak seasoning, give it a little kick, you know? Just a little bit, not much. All right. Then we have our meat patty that we're gonna cut up in pieces. And one thing I like about this, it's a crock pot. You who use crock pot know, those who use crock pot know what I am talking about. Just set it in the pot and let it go. Overnight, awesome, pretty. So that's my first thing. All right, then I take my second bag, lay it down. But on my second bag, all right, the second one I have to do something a little different. I know some of y'all gonna be saying, what in the world is DIY Apostle doing? This, my friend, is my friend. Some of y'all don't like it too much. It's called sugar. Just a little bit. Because all the other ingredients there You don't want to put too much of that because you don't want to, you want just an even blend, okay? So just a little bit. I'll put just a little bit of sugar in there. And that will set off the others because you don't want too much spice and you don't want too much sugar. Now we go ahead with some more. I know this is different. It's supposed to be different. This is DIY apostle business. All right. Well, I didn't mean to say it like that. It's not my business. It's your business too. But yes, just want to let you know that you can use quite a bit of stuff. You'd be surprised when you use different items, how it will come out. Just try it. Don't be afraid to try stuff. Try it. Try it. There's a TV series that came on. I forgot the guy's name, but they go all over the world, tasting different foods and culture of people, the way people, live and stuff. And there's some very interesting places that he had been. I could eat. I would sit back and I would say, well, I don't know if I could try that, but yeah, I'll try just about anything one time. Yes. Just a little. Bit of vinegar. And just a little bit of vegetable oil. Enough. Finish off the meat. And also, to finish off the meat, I'm not going to forget my cup of water. When I say cup of water, I did say cup of water, didn't I? That's wrong. It's pretty large cup of water. It's my favorite cup I use. Cooking, drinking. Yeah. All right, so that's it. This is a cup. Well, it's a big cup, a mug, if you might call it. But just 1 cup of water. We'll do it. Hey, and as always, clean up behind yourself. All right, let me let you see. Can you see that? Now we're gonna go ahead and put this in the crock pot. And put it on high. And there you have it, my friend. Southern style. Taste with a flavor that you won't forget. It's simple, but it's my collard green. It's been DIY Apostle telling you, mwah, the taste of food. You know, food makes me happy. What about you? Till next time. Bye-bye. I can do all things through Christ, and you can too. Philippians 4:13. God bless you.